Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of the K100 build. In today's episode, I'm going to clean the frame and prep it to be 3D scanned. The reason I need to 3D scan the frame is I want to build a custom taillight assembly and a custom seat subframe. To do that, I have to have a completely accurate model of the frame so that I can design parts that will mount to it. I thought briefly about modeling the frame by taking measurements with calipers and taking measurements by hand, but I don't think I'll ever get dimensionally accurate data from doing that. And if I'm going to spend a lot of time and money to fabricate custom parts, I want to make sure that they fit the frame absolutely correctly. So the scanner works by taking thousands of photos at anywhere from 3 frames per second up to 20 frames per second, and each time it flashes, it projects a dot matrix onto the object that you're scanning. The scanner observes how the dots interact with the surface of the object that it's scanning, and then in software, it stitches together the thousands of photos that you've taken into a mesh of polygons. The CAD model that you get from the scanner is imperfect in its texture. The points are in the correct places in space, but it's not a parametric model. Once I have a clean, parametrically built model of the frame, I'll know that I can design parts to that CAD, and when they're CNC milled, they'll fit perfectly to the frame in reality. So here we go. Enjoy the episode. So I've finished building clean surfaces over the scan data, and I feel really good about the accuracy of the model. Join me on the next episode when I start to design the new subframe and the new taillight enclosure.